And it's Jay.
Those are short for our names, but today we are going to be doing slime. We're not for sure if it's going to work, so hope.
And we're using game for it. So let's start the video. Let's go. First, you need some glue.
Jada, why are you saying that when it went? Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. It looks so weird.
Mira, ve. Mira, ve. Con los platos, viene la. Mira.
Mine are a dog and our grandma. Because my grandma.
My glue.
My glue.
Mira, ya aquí que está ahí.
Jada, you need some?
Yeah.
I'm only going to do a little bit. Where's the game? I need a game. I'm going to mix this guys first. Oh my god, look at this, guys. It's hard. It's hard. Guys, look at this. It's hard, actually. It's hard, guys. Look at it. It's super nice. And if you, I'm going to put some food color. Jasmine, no, I use it. I was going to do it. My brother, JC, is going to use it.
La Yocosa no ha visto eso.
Put it in. Put it. Guys, this is, it's supposed to be orange, but we tried it before. Wait, squish it.
Jasmine, I need help.
You need help?
Yeah.
One sec. See, guys, it's yellow. Look at this. It's yellow. Super nice. Okay, let me help you.
And I'll do this one.
I'm trying to.
Wait, do this one. Do this one.
Okay. Wait, first, I'm going to. Why can't I put it out?
All hands on deck.
Why isn't it coming out?
Que estás hueliendo, pega tú.
Jada, help. Wait, I'm going to use this one in the back of it to help you.
Yo dónde voy. ¿Te
Cheese.
queda?
See?
Yeah.
I'm just going to say see.
Wait, pause the video, guys. You just messed it up.